How to do 2x speed on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now tap on the share icon over any reel on the right side as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Playback Speed. Now, you can choose the playback speed from here. If you want to view the reels in 2x speed, then select 2x. You have now successfully changed the playback speed to 2x. Go back to the home page to view the reels in 2x speed. Following these steps, you can easily do 2x speed on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.